Who's ready to get started? This is the sheet that we're gonna do today. So if you have it, I know it says project 2, but we're gonna do the project 1 next week, okay?
4.
All right, guys, we're gonna get started, okay? If you have this in your packet, go get it, okay? It's the little, right here, this little chicken, okay? All right, guys, we're gonna get started.
I have 6.
All right.
16.
Okay, guys. All righty. All right, for this project, again, guys, you guys are gonna need your crayons, uh, your markers. You have your markers. If you have your markers, crayons. You're gonna need your glue. You're gonna need your pair of scissors. All right. So I'm gonna lower the camera so you guys can watch me or watch how I do this. Alrighty. So this looks like a chicken. It is a chicken. So, or is it a turkey? I mean, not a turkey, a rooster. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. You guys can do it whatever color you want, but I'm gonna use this one. Okay? I'm gonna use this color. It's kind of like the skin color. Alright, so you don't have to color this piece right here, but if you want, you can, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna go on the line. Chickens kind of have like white feathers. Some of them look like an off-white. So we're just gonna do it. I want to do it this color. Maybe mix it a little bit with white. I don't know. Let's see. If you want to leave it white, you can. Okay. And you can start coloring it. Throw in a little bit of yellow in there. Chickens normally look white, but well, actually they have different colors. You could do a brown chicken and white chickens. I even seen black. Whatever color you want to do it. Okay. Just follow along and start coloring. Okay. There you go. We're gonna keep coloring. Color, color, color. Color, color, color. Color, color, color. And just continue to color till you get the whole body. Okay. Wow. Alright, almost done. Okay. Just continue till you get this one I only see one. I think you need 2 of those. Okay. So there you go. I'm gonna color this the same since it's a part of the body. Okay, part of the chicken. And alright, so you can start coloring that one as well. There you go. Just keep coloring, continue. If you get tired, take a break. Take a little break. Because I know it gets tiring to color, okay? Okay. And I believe we're gonna need two of these. I don't see another one, so we might have to make an extra one of these, okay? But I'll show you guys how to do that at the end. Now we're gonna color the crease. And I'm gonna color that red. I think this is more like a, no, this red. Okay, let's color this red because it's what goes on top. Okay, we're gonna color that. Okay, guys. Good job. All right, if you want to make it darker, it's on you. It's up to you. But I'm just gonna leave it as this. Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty. So we're also gonna need two of these. But some of these I have some in the closet, so I'm gonna grab some of those. But we can do these yellow. I'm gonna do those yellow. Okay? But we're gonna need two, so we might have to cut another one. Okay, so just make them. You can do it yellow or orange. Um, so we're gonna do it yellow, but with a little bit of orange in it. So since I already colored it yellow, I'm just gonna go through it with a little orange, just to give it that orangey look. Okay. Again, we're gonna need two of those. This is the beak, so we're gonna color the beak. We're gonna color that orange. Okay. There you go. Orange. The eyes, we can leave them like that or color them. What color should we color them? I know, and I've never looked into the eyes of a chicken. So we're just gonna do them blue. Okay. And you can only do the outside. You don't have to do the whole thing. And then this long thing right here, where it's part of the legs, we're also gonna need two of these. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this, not cut it, color it. What do you think the color should be for the legs? Should we do it like orangey maybe? Orangey brown maybe? I don't know. I never looked at chickens like this. Let's do it brown. Let's do it brown. If you have construction paper at home, You can also make your legs out of construction paper and just fold. Okay. Mm-hmm. There you go. Alrighty. So I'm gonna color this very light brown. And again, these are part of the legs. We're gonna be cutting those, so, and then we have to fold them a zigzag way. Okay. So make sure you're watching what I'm doing so you guys can know how to do it afterwards. So now that we have colored it, you can throw a little bit of orange in it. Okay. You can throw a little bit of orange in it. It's up to you. You could just leave it brown if you want. But remember that we have to do 2 of these, okay? And I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Alright, so this is also a part of the tail, so we're gonna do this the same color as the wings and the body, okay? So, alright, you don't have to color over this line because that's gonna be glued. There you go. You guys could trace the black line so you guys could get, okay, now you color, color. Okay. If you want to leave your chicken white, you can, because there are some chickens that are white. If you want to color it brown, you can. I see different colors of chickens. Okay. All right. So leave it like that for now. And this one goes by the mouth. And I also believe this is red. That's why I think it's a rooster. Why am I grabbing the glue? I don't know. Let me let's do that one red. Okay, we're gonna do this red. It tells you on the actual piece that we're coloring, it tells you how many of those you need. Okay, so you need 2 wings and you need 2 of the legs. Okay, and this is the body. You don't need that. You don't need more than that. You're gonna need 2 cleats. I don't know why. Maybe because it's gonna be made into a circle. But I'll show you guys that right. Okay, how to do that right now. Because you're going to have to trace it in order for you to get another one, the same. So we're going to do tracing, unless I should have sent 2 home, right? If I would have got 2 copies of this, you don't have to do all that, but all right. Now that we colored that, we're going to cut. Okay, guys, we need to cut. You can leave your crayons out because you're going to need them. So let's start cutting all the pieces out, okay? All right. I'm going to put the camera a little bit higher so you guys can watch me cut. Okay, so cut all your pieces out. There goes one. You see that? Now we're gonna cut this one. There's another one, which is the body. Then we have this part. We have this. These you need two of. You see how it says times two, times two? So I'm gonna put those on the side because we need two of these. Okay, then we're gonna be cutting. Let me put the camera up. You can see, you guys can see. So there goes, oh, my bad. So we're going to put that there. The eye section right there. The little feet right there. This one also says times two, so we're going to put there. This long stick here, it also says times two. So we're going to be cutting two of those in a minute. I'm just cutting them regularly right now, and then we're going to cut them the right way, okay? All right, and the last is this piece here. Oops. Make sure you guys don't cut these extra little pieces out, okay? You guys are going to need those to glue. You guys are going to need those to glue. And if you want to keep your little sample chicken so you guys can see how it goes, you guys can use that as well. All right, I'm going to do these first since we need two of these. So I'm going to go ahead and cut. Cut on the black line. Make sure you guys cut on the black line. We're going to try to do this as Emmanuel. On the line. Okay, guys. There we go. And then we're going to do the other side. There we go. All right. Okay, see that? So we're going to need two of these guys. So we're going to put this to the side for now. We're going to leave it here. Now we're going to cut this one. You also need two of those. ¿Me mandas una hoja blanca? Please. No, de las chiquitas, de las medianas. The regular size. They're right there. Yeah. All right, guys. So we cut that one. So you're gonna need two of these. So we're gonna put that here as well. Now we have the little feet, which cut those. All right. There we go. There we go. We need two of these. Okay, so I'm placing the stuff that we need two of right here, okay, into the camera. And then now we're gonna cut this one. We also need two of those. go ahead and cut that out. There you go. There you go. Okay. So, to have two of each of these, guys, now we're going to need a white sheet of paper. Okay? The rest of the stuff, put it to the side right now. We'll work on it right now. But you need two of these. You need two of these. You need two of these. And you need two of these. So it's going to be this one plus the one you're going to do. Okay? So now we're gonna do make sure you with the pencil. I have a pen, but it's easier for you guys to do it with the pencil. You might need help. If you need help, ask one of your family members in the home. Go around it with the pen, and then till you get all around it, okay? See, now you have two of those. You're gonna do the same thing with this.
At this. This.
There you go. Okay, go. Eric, don't move the table, please. There we go. And then we go around like that. And we have another one. You guys see that? She's kind of like trace around it. And then we're going to do the two little feet like that. It's real easy. You just got to write outside of it. Make the line so you guys can get the same shape. Now see how you got that one now? So it's going to be two of each. And last is this one, which is going to go with your pen, pencil, whatever you have. Make sure you put your hands on that finger so it won't move. And go all the way around it so you can get the same shape. Okay? So keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Sometimes it moves, but just keep going. Alright, guys? Alright, now we're going to go right here. This one kind of moved a little bit, but it's okay as long as you get the same shape. Okay? Let me get another pen because this pen's like finishing on me. Okay, so we got the other stick for the leg. And make sure you guys do the line. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit off. It's okay. Alright, so now we got two of each. So I colored this yellow. So I'm going to color this one yellow, okay? And that way I can have two. There you go, see? I know you guys can do it. You guys are very smart. I know you guys can do it. I'm going to do this one the same color as this one. Okay, so I'm going to use the peach color for that. Remember it has this little line right here from end to end. So I'm going to put the line because that's what you're going to fold to glue. So now we're going to color this and go around and around. Now you're going to color it. Okay. And just continue to color your pieces, your other pieces that you drew. Kind of using these as molds.
Cynthia has a question.
Yes, Cynthia. She's probably gonna ask me how to do. Let me see. Let me find you, Cynthia.
Let's see this.
Why you do that?
Yes, you gotta put it on the
Why you
paper.
do that?
Okay, Cynthia, watch me, okay? You put the one that you
Okay.
already the one that you already colored. You put it on a white piece of paper like this with your with your
Okay.
pen. With your pen, you go around it.
Uh-huh.
A pencil. Use a pencil better because you can erase it.
Okay.
Okay, and just go around it. Go around, around until you go all the way around, okay? And when you take it off,
Okay.
it's gonna be the same shape.
Yes.
See, like this one
Okay.
and like this one. You can see
Uh-huh.
that? So just go around it with your
Yes.
pencil, your pen, okay? And after that, you
Okay.
just color it the same color that you color yours. If you did your chicken brown, then color it
Okay.
brown, okay? Did you get it?
Okay.
Okay, you got it?
Yes, I get it.
Okay, thank you, Cynthia.
Yes.
Anybody else
I
having
can.
difficulties learning the process or how to do it? All you have to do is go around the lines. Emmanuel, stop there, please. Okay, guys. There you go. See, there you go. So now we have two of those. And now this one, we're going to color it red so it could be the same. And we're going to go down. And then we color it. There you go. There we go. There you go, see? Now you're gonna have two of these, two of these, two of these. And last but not least, this one in the bottom is gonna be the same as this one. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it around so you can see it better in the camera. Okay, so we're gonna color this one the same as the other one, of the legs. Okay, like that. There you go. Okay, now we're gonna color it. Now just color it like you color the other one. And continue coloring it till you finish the whole thing. Okay. Alright guys, like that. The other one, we kind of threw a little bit of orange in it, so we're going to do the same with this one, so they look the same. I want one leg looking off. You know, we want them to look the same. A little bit of orange on there. Okay. There we go. Now what we're gonna do is cut these pieces like we cut the other ones. Okay, now so you guys can see now we're gonna have two of everything. Hi. I think that's all right. All right, so make sure you start cutting your extra pieces that you made. And these are gonna be the legs. There we go. Now cut on the line again. And then you're gonna cut here again. And just continue cutting. Okay, we're almost done, guys. Just keep cutting. Cut that one. That one. And that one. Move all your scraps out of the way. And portraits. Continue cutting your other pieces. Yes? Blanca. Oh, okay, so keep cutting, okay? Just keep cutting around. Keep cutting all your pieces. Remember to leave that little extra paper on there. Now you're going to cut this one, or we're going to cut this one. Okay, go around. Try to do it as on the black line as much as you can. There you go. Now we have two of those. And finish cutting your extras. Cut all your pieces out now, okay? All your pieces. Okay, so that one's ready. These are all squares, so it's easier to cut. Basically, you just have to cut on the line. Okay, and then the eyes. Make sure you cut around the eyes. Keep cutting the eyes around. There you go, we got our eyes. Oops. Now we're gonna cut our beak. It's easier when you have like straight lines going. Okay. There you go. And this one also has little dotted lines where we're gonna be folding it. And this is our last one. Make sure you leave that extra piece on there so you could we're gonna be folding there, okay? Oh, excuse me. Go around all the way. There you go. And there we go. Okay, that was our last piece. So now we're gonna start with the body. So we're gonna do the glue part now, okay? Get your glue ready. This, guys, you're gonna have to circle it like a cone. Make it a cone. Okay? Like this. Sorry. Let me fold this part first. Okay? You're gonna put the glue on the line. Then bring this way. Okay? Kind of make it look like a little cone. Don't fold it because it's not supposed to be folded. Just leave it as a cone, okay? Trying to. Okay. So. Okay. So it's gonna be coney looking like that. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna put the eyes. I don't know if I'm supposed to cut a piece off of here, or they just cover it. You know what? I'm gonna put this one next, which goes on the top like this. Okay. Oh, hold on. It goes like this. Okay. All right. So just make sure you glue it. Okay. So try to keep it on there. Put your glue on there and keep it on there. If it keeps coming off, put more glue. Sometimes it's the glue that doesn't want to make it stay. And you're going to need two, one for the back, one for the front. Okay? So leave it like that for now. Hold it if you can. Then we put the eyes right here. Okay, guys. So far it's going to look like that. Alright, I know it has letters and stuff, but, and then this, the beak, you're going to fold it on those lines. You see those lines? The dotted lines, it's going to be folded, not cut, but fold. Okay? So it's going to look like this after you fold it. It's going to look, you guys see this? It's going to look kind of squarey, okay? So that's how it's going to go on the mouth area. Okay, so it's going to be close to the eyes. Just like that, see? You see that? Just like that. Excuse me. After that, this one, it's going to be, I don't know if you guys could do it, but it's going to be cut in the center, if you guys could do it. On that black little line, don't cut it through. You can, I guess you can. But when you glue it, you're going to glue it like this, okay? So, let me show you. First, you're going to glue it halfway, like this. Don't fold it all the way though. Like this. See, from the side. And then it's going to be a little bit open like this. And then you're going to glue it here, okay? So we're gonna put a little bit of glue there. And we're gonna glue it on there. So that's how it's supposed to look so far. Okay, you see the beak? Alright, now we're gonna do the wings. Okay, so we're gonna fold these wings in. And we're gonna fold this one in. Put some glue on that end of it. The little, you're gonna do it on both wings. And we are gonna put them on the chicken. So you're gonna put it like that, okay? And you're gonna do the same. You know what I did wrong? I did it wrong. I was supposed to color the back. But it's okay. We'll just do it like this. See, now you have your two wings. And now, this is the tail, okay? So you're gonna fold that little end of paper you have there. That's where your glue's gonna go. But these, you cut the black line only on the black line. Don't cut it all the way through. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this, okay? And you roll them up. You can use a pen or a pencil, like that. So just kind of make it curl up, like that. And you do the same with all three, like that. Okay, and then you're gonna glue this to the back. Okay, you can put it like this in the back. Okay, so we're gonna put glue right here and right here. Kind of looks down. I think I was supposed to do it the other way. Okay, so you could instead of doing it the other way, do it the opposite way. Swirl them up instead of down. Okay, like that. You guys could do it with your fingers, like that. Okay. Do the next one. Curl it up, like that. And then the next one, curl it up. And basically, that's the little tail, okay? Like that, okay? And then we're gonna do we could do the other part of the head, which goes right here to cover. So make sure you guys put enough glue that it stays. Because after you color the sheets, it doesn't really want to stay on there, okay? Okay, guys, so it goes like that. Now for the legs, you could grab both at the same time, and we're going to start folding. Just a little bit, not too much. See, that's how much little square. And you're going to go out, in, or left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, until you hit the end. And they're gonna look like little zigzags. Like that, okay? After you're done with that, we're gonna glue the legs to the chicken. Make sure you put sufficient glue, but no, don't be too generous, because then it's gonna be too much. And then you're gonna put one of your legs on there, and then the other leg. Okay, so it's gonna look like that. You see that? Gonna have the legs hanging out. And at the end of the legs, guys, you guys are just gonna glue the two little feet. These. Okay? So those are gonna go at the end just like this. So grab your glue, put some glue on both a little bit, and then just on the tip of the leg, you're gonna glue them. One, and then you're gonna glue the next one. Okay? There you go. So now we have a little chicken or rooster, whatever you want to call it. See, it now has,
Your lunch. Your lunch.
it's gonna have the two little legs on there. I think I put it on the right spot. Hold on. It goes in the front, not the back.
Your lunch. Your lunch.
You guys see that? Alright. You guys like this chicken? Or rooster, whatever. Alright, guys.
Good job, everybody.
You guys did an awesome job.